In a cool classroom, there were 18 children and one teacher in the classroom. Ooh, ooh. Only the teacher was vaccinated because the 7 and 8-year-old children were not allowed to be vaccinated because they did not know if it was safe for them to get the vaccination. Ooh, ooh. If a vaccination is safe for the kids, then that would prevent the teacher and the other children from being exposed to whatever is coming from their home environment. Ooh, ooh. It is good if they can be vaccinated. That way, if they have something at home, if someone at home has been exposed to someone with COVID, or if the child has been diagnosed with COVID, then that will protect the other children that are in the classroom. Ooh, ooh. In a cool class, there were 18 children and one teacher was vaccinated. But if the vaccination is safe for the children that are 5 years and older, then the kids can get the vaccination and that will give them some type of protection so that we can keep having a cool class. Ooh, ooh. Oh, the wind. The wind is blowing outside. The wind is blowing and the wind is blowing inside the classroom. Ooh, ooh. But if it's safe for the kids to have a vaccination, then it doesn't matter that the wind is blowing because they will have some protection. The teacher will have some protection. There will be herd immunity if they have a vaccination. In a cool class, there were 16 wonderful children that were vaccinated because now it is safe for the children to have the vaccination. So if they get the vaccination, then they will have some protection. The teacher will have some protection. All of the kids in the school will have some protection. So if and when the vaccine is safe for the young children, think about it. Do you want the kids to be protected? Do you want the teacher to be protected? Do you want others around your child to be protected? Think about it. You have the choice. You make the decision. But in a cool classroom where there's 16 or 18 or 20 or more children in a beautiful, wonderful classroom, if the kids are vaccinated, they will have some protection that will be helpful. It will be helpful for your child and the other children and other people, grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles, cousins, that herd immunity where everybody in the classroom is protected. That would be fantastic. A thumbs up. Kiss your brain. Kiss your brain. A round of applause. It would be fantastic. Teachers would appreciate it. You as a parent would feel like you have done your job. But it's your choice. You have the choice. The wind is blowing. Ooh, ooh. The wind is blowing. The air has lots of things in it. There are germs. Germs are out there. There is little bits of bacteria floating around. But if a child is vaccinated, then that would help. If not, if they do not say that vaccinations are okay and safe for the children, then definitely we don't want to even think of that. But there's a mask. Kids can wear a mask, and they are learning about the mask. They're learning about wearing these masks to help to cover their nose, cover their mouths, because when they sneeze or cough, the germs go everywhere. But with the mask, they are helping. They are protecting others. They're keeping the germs to themselves with the mask. That's what we have now. We have the mask now to protect others, to protect the children. The wind is blowing. Ooh. The wind is blowing. The air. That is helpful. Wearing the mask is so helpful because that's what we have. That's all that we have in the classroom with children that are 5 years and older. Because right now we're waiting to see if the vaccine is safe for the children. Then they can get that vaccination. They can get those shots in the arm. But it's going to be to help. But until then, the masks are so helpful. The kids have such cute masks. The masks are so cute. They have all different kinds. They even have words and sayings on them. The masks are helping us to protect the children. They're helping us to stop the spread of germs because we want the best. Teachers, school staff, school administrators, superintendents, everybody wants the best for the kids. Everybody is working to protect the young children. We want to keep them safe. We want them to be safe. So think about it. The mask, they're helping to keep those germs from coming into your children's bodies. They are preventing any germs that may be caused to go out into the classroom. So think about it. It's so fantastic to wear that mask to keep the kids protected from the germs. And if there is a safe vaccination on the horizon or coming, yes, maybe a shot in the arm for those kids so that they can do their job as the citizens of this country, as the future leaders of this country. So let's do it. Ooh. Ooh. I love to hear your comments. Comments about, what do you think? What do you think about wearing a mask? What do you think about your child wearing a mask? What do you think about a vaccination if it's safe for the kids? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.